Almighty Allah, the most merciful, entirely merciful, and specially merciful. Hope that guys, all of you will be fine and stay away from coronavirus. Before starting our new lesson, I have to tell you something that's very important. Just you have to stay away from crowded places and observe the hygiene. This my notice for you guys. You have to stay at home. Don't go around the city. Just stay at home. Okay guys, welcome to your first session of your lessons that today we are going to discuss about the grammar, what is grammar. First of all, we should know that what is grammar. As we know that grammar is the heart of language, grammar is very important, that how can we write the sentences correctly. Okay, in linguistics, grammar, the set of structure rules governing the composition of clauses, phrases, and words in a natural language. That all we can say that a grammar is a set of words that we are going to arrange them to make a correct sentence. This is called grammar. That now we are going to start our lesson by the title of parts of speech. That what is parts of speech, what are their kinds, and what are the importance of parts of speech. Okay, first of all, we should know the definition of parts of speech. That what is parts of speech? Words are divided into different kinds or classes called parts of speech according to their use or according to the work they do in the sentences. They are mainly divided into 8 classes. Okay, what is the first one? The first one is noun. What is the second? The second one is pronoun. What is the third one is? The third one is adjective. The fourth one is verb. The fifth one is adverb. The sixth one is preposition. And the seventh one is conjunction. And the last one is what? Interjunction. Inshallah, we will discuss about 4 that I have bold them in red color. We will discuss about these 4. Before we discussed about noun, pronoun, adjective, and verb in previous classes. Now we're going to start from the adverb. What is adverb? Okay. First of all, we should know what is adverb, what is the definition of adverb, and after that we are going to make some examples. Okay, guys, let's start from the definition of adverb. What is adverb? An adverb refers to any elements in a sentence used to modify a verb, adjective, another adverb, or even an entire clause. Adverbs can be single words, as in. Look at the examples here. You write beautifully. What is adverb here? Adverb is beautifully here. Inshallah, we will discuss about all these things, that why beautifully is adverb here. Inshallah, we will discuss about all these things in next classes. Okay, he walked slowly towards the bus. Here, slowly is adverb here. He owned the bright red car. Here the bride is adverb here. She runs very quickly. Here very quickly is what? Adverb. As we know that adverb is also very important in our daily conversation, that how we gonna make a sentences for adverb, how we gonna use adverb in sentences. This is very important. Just if you want to learn all of these things, you have to try, you have to more practice with yourself, guys. If you want to learn grammar, just practice with yourself. This is very important, guys. Just whatever I said for you guys, you have to write them down in your notebook. You have to find more details about adverb. If you want to learn them, just you have to memorize the definition. You have to write more examples about adverb. Here just I mentioned some of them, some of examples, but this is your responsibility. Just you have to actuate your mind, you have to work with yourself, you have to try to be the best, guys. This is very important. Try to be just here I have 90%, here I have 10% responsibility to teach you guys, but your responsibility is 90%. You have to try more, you have to learn more, guys. Okay guys, now we are going to start our this term by the by vocabulary. That as we know, vocabulary is very important in a language. That if you want to build up your vocabulary, you have to write them for several times in your notebook. After that, you can learn them very easily. For improving your English language, you have to increase or you have to build up your vocabulary, because vocabulary is the most important point in the language. If you know grammar, if you know the grammatical points, just if you don't know the vocabulary, just it is not important. Just you have to know both of them, because both of them increase or build up your English language. For just here is a question that how can we build up our vocabulary? You can build up your vocabulary. There are several ways that you can improve your English vocabulary. By watching movies, by watching news, and etc. These are the source that helps. These are the sources that help you how you gonna improve or how you gonna build up your vocabulary. Now we are going to start our lessons. Here are some school words that you can see on the screen. Just next to them, I have write their meanings to Persian. These words help you to improve your daily activity or your daily vocabulary words for school. Okay, I read these words. After that, you can repeat after me, guys. Okay, listen carefully. Listen for for its pronunciation. How can I pronounce these words? Okay, first, quad, 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 field, 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 bleachers, 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 principal, 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 classroom, 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 restroom, 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 hallway, 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 locker, 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 parochial school, parochial school, parochial school, cafeteria, 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 computer lab, computer lab, computer lab, library, 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 auditorium, 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 jame, 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 coach, 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 truck, truck, truck. Okay, guys, I repeat, I read these words. Hope that you catch these words in a very easy way. Just if you want to learn them in easy way, just you have to make examples for them. Okay, dear honorable students, hope that you have catch my lessons. And one thing I should tell you, dear honorable student, that read your lessons carefully and try to work with yourself and practice with yourself. If you do not